I'm at Sebright Gardens today with Kirk, and Kirk, I love coming any time of the year, but this year especially, the gardens are beautiful, and so are the plants.
Hot days, cool plants.
Ah, you're very good. It is hot today, but they have so much nice shade and cover here. It's a lovely experience, even on a hot day.
Exactly, absolutely, yeah.
So what do you have for us?
So we just have a few cool plants that I thought I'd bring out today. We have some Dwarf Ginkgos here. There's several varieties of Dwarf Ginkgos we carry. Spring Grove is one of ours in the garden. It's one of the bigger ones. It gets up to 6 feet about.
Oh, not bad at all.
Yeah, great fall color, that bright gold fall color.
It's nice because the standard ones get so big, and everybody's gardens are shrinking.
Exactly,
so it's
yeah,
nice to have
It's
some
great
dwarfs.
if you live in a city lot or a lot that size that you want a really nice tree. That's low maintenance. It's a great tree for that.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Well, now we have to talk about lilies.
Lilies, of course, yeah. I just have a couple varieties here. We have several varieties. They're just coming in bloom now. These ones are earlier ones, but they'll start blooming now into mid-July. So yeah, some of the Margaritans are blooming as well in the shade garden. So.
Oh, and really lilies for sun or shade, that's
exactly.
very nice.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And the Stilbees are starting to bloom. These ones here are early blooming varieties, and they come in such a variety of colors. The Stilbees, got purple, pinks, reds. I don't have white here, but we have there's several shades of colors, and some have nice foliage. The foliage in the spring, then they come out. A lot of them have the bronze tones and chocolate tones and purple tones. So, which adds to the the effect.
And they almost look like another fern in the garden.
Yeah, good point. Yeah, very plumy flowers.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And then I see there's some plants for the sun down there.
Yeah, we got a Monarda here. Great for the sun. It has a nice fragrance to it as well. Low maintenance plant, and another sun plant. I really like carnations. You always see them in bouquets, and this one's Pinball Wizard, and they bloom so long, and it's nice to see them in the garden as well. So yeah.
And even a cut flower?
Absolutely, yeah. You can cut it as a flower or just enjoy it in the garden, whatever you prefer. But they just bloom and bloom and bloom, and they're just a good low maintenance plant for the sun.
Nice,
yeah,
nice.
Absolutely, yeah.
And we have to talk about hostas because hostas are your key here.
We started out in hostas, so we definitely, we're known as the Hosta Nursery. So, and we have a few different sizes here. This is a large one called Imperial Palace.
Wow.
Yeah, in fact, I thought this would be a great one in a pot, so I put one in a pot this week as well.
I love that pot. It's very nice.
Yeah, and then this is one we introduced. I got similar colors here. But this is a medium. This is large. Medium large is Tangerine Tango. It's one of our introductions.
Cute.
It's nice thick leaves. It's just, and then a smaller one, a medium size, is cream topping. And then I pulled out a blue mouse ears here.
So
the
sweet.
flowers it's going to be blooming here in a couple weeks, and the flowers are so nice on it. If you like, you don't buy hostas for the flowers, but this one is so cute. They sell well, the blue mouse ears, but when they're blooming, they just fly out of here, and we're sold out by, way down after they're done blooming. So.
And really, if you have a small pot or a small garden, that's a perfect one.
Exactly, absolutely. Yeah, or along a border or whatever works well for you. Yeah.
And what is this striped flower plant with the pink
This
flowers?
is a Silene Clifford Moore. I never heard of them, and I never see them in anyone's garden, but they're such a low maintenance plant. I've grown them in full sun to full shade. I don't know what they like because they seem to work well in all those environments. I think they like some sun, but like I said, I've grown them in full sun to full shade. There's Periwinkle Flowers. The bloom, they're just about done blooming. The blooms were really close to the foliage, and now they're and they're evergreen too, or nearly evergreen here in our area. So
nice. And I know we have some other plants here. We have penstemons and fuchsias, which are lovely, and you have so many flowering things, all kinds of different plants. But today is a very special day, so tell us what's going on today.
So we have the beginning of summer. Plant sale and garden art festival.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
So what's going to happen?
So we have several vendors from different nurseries. One, we have like Fancy Franz from up in northern Washington, and she carries 900 varieties of ferns. And
more than you, huh?
Yeah.
A lot.
You think we're crazy with ferns? We only have 150 varieties.
Oh, man.
So she has a huge selection. So she's bringing, and it's kind of funny that two fern nurseries are here together, but we support each other, and she has things that we don't have, and a lot of her customers love ferns. So
definitely.
Yeah.
And then garden art, that's really nice. It's
Absolutely.
always so wonderful to have in the garden as an accompaniment to all your pretty plants.
Yes. We have four garden artists here. One does ceramics, one does leaf castings that you can use like a bird bath or just display in the garden.
Wow.
And then one does trugs and flags we had some flags here in the garden. They look awesome in the garden. You know, just adds that splash of color, as well as Mary's metalwork. She's done some. If you look around our display gardens, if you come here, you can see a lot of the metalwork she's done as well. And
very nice.
Yeah,
Oh.
absolutely.
And so you know it's going to be a little warm today. So is there going to be food and drinks?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah,
Oh.
we have the chill grill's coming.
Nice.
We'll have a nice selection of food and drinks available.
Oh, that is great.
Yeah,
And then
from the
what
food
time
cart.
should we be here?
It starts at 10 and goes till 3 today. So.
All right.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Well, you know, that's going to be a wonderful event. There's lovely plants to get, plus all these other vendors just to kind of stroll around and just enjoy the day. And don't forget to go through the display gardens. Please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click over to their website and get all that information. Kirk, have a great day.
Thank you. You too, Judy.